How to find all the notes you posted on Instagram Reels or Stories. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. First of all, open up Instagram. Now at the bottom right corner, click on your profile. Again at the top right corner, tap on the three lines. Now under how you use Instagram, you will find an option for your activity. Tap on it. Now you can find many options. Tap on notes. Now on this page you will find here all the notes you posted on Instagram. You can sort your notes by tapping on newest to oldest and select oldest to newest. You can also choose the dates for your notes. So that's it. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.